So here is the Osaka station where actually you can buy the tickets. Most of the places open around 9 o'clock, but we will buy our ticket from the machine. So let's go find the machines. Oh, here they are. Let's respect the signs, which are here. Like this. Let's see if I actually can buy a ticket. Okay, so let's put this thing in English. So let's put it the reserve seat, Shinkansen limited to Kanazawa. Here is Kanazawa from Osaka. And let's see where is Kanazawa. Until Kanazawa. Let's put it today. Let's see what time is it. 8:25. Let's see for 8 what we have. Adult. So it will be Osaka Tsuruga Kanazawa. 8:42. Yes, I think this is good. So you have here two options. But I think I will take the first option because I still have the time. So I will select here. Few seats left. So ordinary car, green car. Let's take the ordinary car. And also, let's take here. So let's confirm. So window seats are sold out. So let's take an base seat. And let's take a window seat for the
Please select a section for the basic fare ticket.